Welcome to day 11. Day 11 is God, universe, and the spiritual guidance, the force that protected you. Month theme for November is faith, and what you learn is you were never completely alone. Why this matters? This day is not about religion, it's not about beliefs or rules. It's about noticing the moments when something unseen seemed to step in, those instances when protection arrived without announcement. Times like this, missing a bus, train, or meeting, and later realizing it mattered. Getting help from a stranger at exactly right moment. Having a strong gut feeling stopped you from making a bad choice. Wanting something desperately and being protected from it instead. So at the time, it may have felt like a bad luck or delay. Later, it made sense. What seemed like obstacles were often invisible hands steering you towards safety, growth, or better timing. The universe's protection doesn't always feel comfortable in the moment. So today's intention is thanking that quiet protection, the kind that doesn't announce itself. We pause to acknowledge the unseen forces that have guarded, and held us through every challenge and trumpet. So, the simple question, notice without overthinking. Pick one or two of these questions to reflect upon. You don't need clear answers, just noticing them is actually enough. When did I feel lucky in a way I couldn't explain? When did someone not work out, but later I felt relieved? When did my intuition guide me correctly? If something bigger than me was watching over me, what might it want me to know? And today's ritual is silence and thanks. 5 to 10 minutes alone, no phones, no music, find a comfortable, quiet place. This ritual is about presence, not performance. Create a sacred space where you can simply be and express gratitude for the protection you have received. What you do, get comfortable, put your hands on your heart, close your eyes, gently close your eyes and settle into stillness. Release expectations, don't ask for anything, simply prepare to give thanks. Say quietly, thank you for every breath I took without effort. Thank you for every day I woke up. Thank you for protecting me from things I didn't see. Thank you for holding me when I felt alone. Sit in silence for a few moments after speaking these words. Breathe normally. Feel the gratitude settle in your body. That's enough. Today's affirmation is, I am guided, protected, supported even when I don't see it. Carry these affirmations with you throughout the day. Let it remind you that you never truly alone in this journey. Day 11 complete. And see you tomorrow for day 12, self-purpose and life vision.